Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to change gender on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now in order to change gender, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to change the gender. So guys, in order to proceed, you need to know a thing that is you'll be only changing the gender of your Bitmoji on Snapchat. To do that, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your Bitmoji icon or your Snapchat profile picture. Tap on it, and over here, in order to change the gender, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it and scroll down from over here until you can find the Bitmoji option available for us just below the notifications. Tap on Bitmoji, and first guys, you'll be required to unlink your Bitmoji in order to change the gender. So let's tap on the unlink my Bitmoji at the bottom of the list, you can see, and tap on remove. And over here you'll be required to again create a new avatar on your Snapchat, so or a Bitmoji. Let's do that. Let's tap on create my avatar. So you'll be on this interface where you'll be able to either show your face to the camera and let Snapchat generate an avatar for you, or you can just go with a custom one by tapping on a male or a female. So in order to change the gender, you can do it from over here. I'll be tapping on the female side just for a demo purpose, guys. And on this section again, if you show your face or center your face on the Snapchat, it will create a more precise avatar of your, giving you three options at the below, but we'll be just skipping it. You can try it out for yourself. And over here you'll be given a custom avatar where you'll be able to optimize the skin tone, your hairstyles, you can see hairstyles, and your hair length. You can optimize many things over here. And after that, your eye size, your eye type, which one you like or which would be better for you, your eyelash, anything, many things will be available for you over here. You can change your outfits over here. These are the outerwear. You can see your shoes over here. Let's tap on it. Either you can customize it from over here, your outfit, or let's just tap on the save at the top right corner of the screen, and we'll be taken to a custom dressing. And let's just choose an outfit for now. I think it looks good, so let's tap on the save at the top right corner, and you can see guys, your Snapchat gender has been changed. And this is how you can change the gender on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.